wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, yo, that mafia back in the music club. Let's see what we are doing today. We that mad collab. Yo, the collab, I didn't even expect this shit, bro. And this collab I didn't even know happened till like a while ago. You know what I'm saying? I was posting my, I was posting my uploads to Twitter and shit. And then I saw this collab. I'm like, wait, what the fuck is this? You know, it's a Trippie did a collab with Russian and Vibes Cartel in a like what, a month or two ago. You know what I'm saying? And that shit was lit. Something about I forgot the name. I think it was like for my dogs. And it was like, you're not for my dogs. I'll pick up here anytime you call. Change by the season. That was a dope collab between Russian Cartel and Trippie. You see me? And I was like, yo, shout out to Trippie, for collabing with the culture. It was a good look. It's a good little vibe. You know what I'm saying? But a while ago, Mr. Trippie Dog and the Spartan boss. You know what I'm saying? You know me I talk about, man. Yeah, man. Me I talk about the Spartan boss, Uncle D, man, himself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Tommy Lee Sparta, bro. And I'm like, yo, this collab wicked. Yeah, man. I can definitely see why Trippie would want to collab with Tommy Lee, bro. They got basically saying, I would say Trippie the son of Tommy Lee, bro. I don't give a damn. I don't care if Trippie is considered the bigger artist because he's a rapper and America big, so they get a lot of views and a lot of money. I would say Trippie is a son of Tommy Lee. Me not give a damn. I can't vex if you don't want. You see me? But yeah, man, we can definitely say Trippie is influenced by Tommy Lee. I can't say Tommy Lee is influenced by Trippie at all, because you don't know. Tommy Lee a big bad blood clot artist, man, boss for a long time. You know what I'm saying? Them man a legend of dancehall too, so I put respect on Tommy Lee name, dog. You see me? But yeah, man, Trippie they drop the collab, you're like, what? I'll say like a couple hours, maybe 11 hours or so, bro, but I'm just not seeing it. You know what I'm saying? And I want to name Trippie Helicopter featuring Tommy Lee Sparta official music video. And that's what I'm like. He's on the track and he's on the music video. I'm rate that. I'm tired. I see Blood Cleat, these culture vultures, bro. They come on here. You know what I'm saying? They collab with a dancehall artist and then barely put them on the track and they nowhere in a video, you know, see them or nowhere on the album. I don't like them shit, the dog. With time we cut out the culture vulture thing. Niggas forget proper credit and proper feature. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm excited for the one and still all fun and jokes aside. You know, see me? Yeah, man, I like it. I like like, it reminds me of back in the day, bro, when you used to see enough dancehall artists and rappers collab, bro. You know what I'm saying? See them on BET and MTV and everything there regularly. But from there, he's like, they want to go and like, they want to water down dancehall artists and water down dancehall thing, but they can't stop it. Because the culture, as you see, no matter how them try to fight it, the culture is rising up. Especially right now with dancehall when there's no gatekeepers like that. Shit lit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm excited for the one. This is Trippie Helicopter featuring Tommy Lee Sparta. You don't know, I'm not going to hold up the vibes that much longer. And yo, guys, I ain't going to cap to you guys. You see me? See if he's a real fan and he's a real supporter of Jambisco, then you see me? I make you know right now. You see me? I like dancehall. I like UK music. You feel me? I like hip hop music. So, yo, guys, I know I say I've primarily been reacting to dancehall music, but I'm going to be reacting to all type of music that I like. You know what I'm saying? Which means hip hop music. Then Travis Scott just came up with a new album I want to react to. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, man, I want to put down, you know what I'm saying? Nah, man, I put everything. Shout out to supporters like Daniel. You man like, yo, anything you drop, bro, we're gonna support it. You know what I'm saying? I respect that and I rate that. You see me? But yeah, man, new a lot more reactions coming, man. I'm about to turn up the heat on y'all, bro. Hip hop, UK drill, dancehall, everything y'all about to get. African music, Afro beats. I don't know, I mess with Afro beats. I like Whiskey and Brandon. Yeah, the intro I get too long. But anyway, we're there for Trippie Helicopter featuring Tommy Lee Sparta. Let's get it. Bro, no, whoa, what the fuck? My thing there fucked me up, bro. My mouse fucked me up, bro. But no one never is behind all of these damn new collabs. Yo, no one never putting in that damn work, bro. No joke. You feel me? Every time I see a music video, no one never behind it from what they come like it all take over from King Cam and Shane Creative, bro. No joke. But yeah, man, we'll jump right back in that track. Trippie Helicopter featuring Tommy Lee Sparta. No, I never put in that work. Bro. Woo!
Anyone is Russian and Tamil.
Woo! Man say piano real. Piano is real. Who not here I got dead. Any boy this Russian and Tamil. What go?
My friend got a green dot.
This man got my damn Halloween costume on his head, bro. That I got the purge, man. That's why I wore for Halloween last year, bro. But I'm doing the same shit again this year. But come in.
I'm a Glock bust 33 shot. I go spin them black helicopter. With the chopper.
Go spin them back helicopter. With the chopper. I'm told them man easy. Bro, is that a Naruto sword these niggas on? I know both of these niggas like anime. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm like the fact that I shot the video in yard too. Look at that shit. Let's get it.
We not so pretty. Look a boy dance like Diddy. Smoke on a board like a hippie. Spin it till it easy. Put them in a molly, no busy. R.I.P. we not show no pity. It was easy. Boy, Jackila just get screen. In your run and a scream. Me shoot like a championship team.
I'm saying them on Z. Boy, get them asleep. You know, in animation when people sleep, you see the Z's. Yeah, so I said them boy they asleep. Alright, come on.
When I play around with my abs, oh, revenge is sweet like jobs. I go spin them black helicopter. With the chopper.
Alright, yo, dog. This look like it's gonna be a little short one. I wonder what Trippie got to say on the track, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Coming from the underworld, it was just me and 100 girls. Pop champagne, screaming fuck the world. Yeah, I'm 1400 game, my gun, fuck the world. Murder. When I pull up, I might have it on my mind. Yeah, murder. If it's him or me, I don't have to decide.
Murder. If I him or me not have to decide that. The choice is clear. Come in,
it's murder.
Hey, boy, yeah, put in work, you know.
Outside, baby, with a damn red dot. Turning on the side of your nigga hip hop. They don't wanna ride when this shit get hot.
Man, say headshot outside with a fucking red dot. Talking all there and you get the head pop.
Real killer, but I know him not. Kangaroo Jack, if you play, get boxed. Born from that block, I keep a knife in a chop. Birds outside, trying to dodge the helicopter.
I'm a Glock bust 33 shot.
Hey, yo, Tommy, you better turn up, bro. You better turn up, cause Trippie kinda did that, flow that shit. You know what I'm saying? Go.
I go spin them black helicopter.
With the chopper. Well, you don't know, Tommy full of style already. Hey. Oh shit. Hey, I was stalking shit. I was like, no, I never, bro. You never think I'm like, I'm gonna take over for Shane Creative. Look who directed that bitch. Shane Creative. Big up yourself, BG. Come in. No, I never. Big up your blood, please. Shane Creative doing his thing, man. No, I never. You see me? Too big. Hey, yo, Shane Creative, King Cam, Wicked Media. No, I never. They're all putting that work. When it comes to that video and stuff, they're putting that work for the culture, bro. You gotta give them their credit. And shout out to Russian as a producer, nigga. You putting that work for the culture, bro. You know what I'm saying? Making niggas make different links and thing. Yeah, man, I like it's a good look. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, big up Russian. Big up Tamil Sparta. Big up Trippie Red. You see me? I say real dope track, man. Real good look for both dancehall and hip hop. You see me? Then Trippie Red. And I'm gonna say this right now. Trippie Red, you gonna get credit for the first. I bet you see a lot of niggas start hopping on Trippie Red wave. You know what I'm saying? Wanna go do more features with our dancehall artists. Yeah, man. But you gotta give Trippie Red and Rich the Kid and J Rich. Gotta give them their credit, cause they was like the first to come back and start doing collab. You know? Give them their credit, dog. Everybody else after this, they just following the wave. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But dope track. You don't know Tamil Sparta. He ain't do too much on the track. He just come sprinkle theme like a style on it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And Trippie come in with theme like a style and theme energy. And he came with a lit verse. I ain't gonna cap to you. Yeah, man. Mess with it, dog. It's a dope track. Good look. Yeah, it's just a good look for the culture overall, man. So shout out to Trippie Red, Tamil Sparta, and Russian for put that one together. I like that one a lot. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, guys. If you like it, definitely go show the artists some love and support. You see me? Let me know what your favorite part. Beat, lyrics, melody. You don't know video. You know collab. Let me know on the favorite part. Let's start the conversation. Let's chop it up. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the dialogue going. Yeah, man. You don't know what shouldn't stop. And as I said at the beginning, guys, look out for more reactions, man. I'm start reacting to more of the music. Dancehall is not the only music. I love dancehall. You know, that's one of my favorite genres. I ain't gonna cap to you. Don't get shit twisted. But I also listen to hip hop. I also listen to UK genre. I also listen to Afro beats. So I would like to incorporate those on the channel as well. You know what I'm saying? So look out for that, guys. And don't just stick to the dancehall song. I just stick to the hip hop. I stick to the Afro beat. I stick to the UK. Support every video I drop, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause you're part of the Dan Mafia family. So support every video I drop so we can grow and I can start giving back even faster. You know what I'm saying? Cause we growing a dog. And don't forget, you know, as we growing a dog, I'm giving back to my community. I ain't never forgetting y'all. You know what I'm saying? So you don't know, guys. You're the boy Jambisco. I was here when I hit on a smashing a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.